Hello, welcome back to Live Livenoding. In this episode, I'm gonna give you a quick setup here using SpareChalk add-on. Basically, it's a simple setup where you can generate some kind of a procedural looking egg like this. So since it is Easter, so maybe you want to make something like this using Blender. So it is actually pretty simple. Before I go too crazy with all this masking, let's just get the basic shape. So you got the egg, and the egg is actually, I started by using this sphere, and the sphere is very basic, of course. But what's interesting here is that I'm using this proportional edit with fall off. So this way I can just select, just the top part of the sphere and just move it slightly in the z-axis. So it is really, really simple. You just need to use the right node. In this case, we have this select mesh elements by location. And I'm selecting by the normal directions. And you can guess the normal directions will be the top. So I'm selecting the top. I can actually select the bottom part, just like that. So with bottom part selected, you can get this kind of shapes, like a palette, like a blood vessel, or you can have like upside down egg if you like, but just let's get back to normal. This shape is kind of nice as well if you want to print it out. But anyway, egg is basically a sphere, and you select the top part, and you just need to proportionally select the part. You can try all kind of different shape of eggs here by selecting a different fall off type. So that gives you egg. And if you use, actually I'm using smooth vertices as well. So this one will give you slight variations if you like. So that's kind of nice. And after that, what I did here, I'm using not vector turbulence, simply just using list masking. And with list masking, I can mask out the faces data and just select every other. So this is what we will get. And if you bake it out, you're gonna get this really interesting shape of egg. Yeah, maybe go back to normal, solid. And this is something that you can upload to Facebook 3D, and you get a nice shape that you can spin. So that's kind of interesting. So there you go. Just a quick live noding for Easter this year. Hopefully you'll enjoy this one. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.